personification. Personification, you see, हिंदी में इसको मानवीकरण अलंकार कहते हैं, अर्थात इस अलंकार में निर्जीव वस्तुओं को सजीव मानकर उनका वर्णन किया जाता है. In personification, the inanimate objects are addressed to as living objects. Just as we have the example here, the first one is, let not ambition mock their useful toil. In this sentence, the word ambition has been used as a figure of speech, as personification, as it personifies the toil, the labor. In another example, we have, death lays its icy hand on kings. In this sentence, death has been considered as a living object. It is an inanimate thing. And in another example, we have, love is blind. Here, love has been personified. Experience is the best teacher. The word experience has been personified in this sentence. And we see in another example that anxiety is sitting on her face. The word anxiety, anxiety means chinta. It is a feeling, inanimate. But here in this sentence, it has been personified and taken as a living person. So, here further you have these examples, just as, but patience to prevent that murmur soon replies. This is a sentence from the famous elegy written by Thomas Gray. So, another example is, authority forgets a dying king. The word authority has been personified in the sentence. So, you see, in personification, the sentence may be in prose or may be in some poetic composition. It personifies an inanimate thing and makes the sentence more meaningful, beautiful and attractive.